Well, hello and good evening to all of you. I'll just wait for you all to join in. In the meanwhile, I'll just share the video as well. I'll just wait for you all to join in. In the meanwhile. Just give me a moment, guys. Hi Kanika, hi Surbhi, hi Swinky. Just give me a moment, guys. I'll just share the link and then we are good to go. Okay. Well, hello everyone. Hi Mansi Vaswani. Hi Indu auntie. Okay, so the much awaited Twitter sheets after a long time. Hi Priyanka. Those who all have joined my course have already taken a sneak peek of my Twitter sheets this time. I have designed, I don't know, maybe 50 or 60 sheets by now, but I did not release it. Abhi bhi I'm not releasing all of them together. They're just 16 sheets for now. I will be gradually releasing more, but now I will be a little more. Hi Ritudi. Hi Shifali ji. Now I'll be a little more punctual. I keep telling so many people that it is my hobby to design critter sheets and all, but releasing them is not part of my hobby, so I keep forgetting that. I make a critter sheet, I get a sample made, and then I get so excited, I cut them and I keep them aside and I forget about them then, and I move on to the other one. That is what is the story of my life. But I guess I need to improve on that. So first of all, 16 sheets are there, and beautiful sheets as usual. Those who don't want to take the pains of coloring, good for them. Those who want to do production work, good for them also. Acha, one more thing I want to make very clear to you all. Like, if you guys want a particular flower, if you are into production work, if you are taking orders on a particular envelope where you want a particular flower and a particular leaf, you can contact me regarding that. I will give you all the details, whatever is the possibility of getting a personalized sheet for you. So that is an option. Many people lately called me and they said that some little birdie told them that I will never do that for them. So please do not listen to other people. Listen to me. I am always there. I am a call away. Please contact me. I am always there to help you out whichever way possible. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the sheets. So here is the first sheet. I'll show you like this. I think this will be better. Or should I flip the camera? I think I'll flip the camera only so that you can have a better view. Just give me a moment. Let me adjust the camera once, okay? Give me a moment, guys. Yeah, this is better now. I'll just zoom out a little more so that a clearer picture is visible to you all. Okay. So here is the first sheet. These are the flowers and smaller flowers and a little fillers, and these are the leaves, foliage. Okay. So this is the first set of sheet, and along with that I have designed a coordinated sheet which is with the bouquets. Hi Bhavna. This is with the bouquets, like a floral cluster or a floral arrangement. Okay, look at this. So these are cosmic flowers, and these are cosmic bouquets. Okay. Then the second one, which everyone really liked through my course, is this one. These are white lilies. It's a very beautiful sheet, guys. It looks very elegant on projects. I have made a few projects out of this also during the class. I will show it to you later. Okay, these are pink peonies. Red peonies I have seen a lot, but these beautiful pink peonies I was really keen on. These are the flowers of the pink peonies and these are the leaves. Okay. Then here is orange and pink flowers. These are very beautiful flowers. I really like them. Very beautiful flowers. Okay, next one is a set of 3 sheets. Basically, you can take them separately, but I have designed them in three pieces, 3 sets. Okay, so one is Peony Passion. I have named it Peony Passion. So these are the flowers and these are leaves along with that, smaller and larger size. Isi se milta julta, it coordinates with it. The flowers are different, but they are a little coordinating. So these are the peonies. Okay. And then here is the cluster. Peonies ka bouquet hai ye. Okay. The peonies. ये pink peonies है. This is Peony Passion and these are peonies. These are the peony clusters. Okay. So then we have Marvelous Mauves. These are the Marvelous Mauve clusters which are pre-arranged for your convenience, and these are the Marvelous Mauve flowers and leaves. These are very, very beautiful. My rose one, earlier one in the pink one, they are really, really rose bouquet, rose paradise. They have been a super duper hit for me. So I try to come up with these in mauve color now. These are also superb. Okay, and then we have lilies. I am a true die-hard fan of lilies. In person also, like I love lily flowers and I love lily on my projects also. So these are the lilies, white lilies and pink lilies in this. And I have small clusters also here. And the smaller size also is at the back. And I've given you lots of foliage because that is very necessary. Okay, one more thing which I used in my class was these pansies. These are also very pretty pansies. Very, very beautiful. Fanciful flowers and fanciful bouquets. Very beautifully done. Okay. And last but not the least are these beautiful spring flowers. I have tried to give you many colors and coordinations in these. These are the spring flowers, and along with that, here is the spring bouquets. These are the spring bouquets. Okay. So these are all the 16 sheets, and I will give you a glimpse once again. Cosmic flowers, cosmic leaves, cosmic bouquet on both the sides. I generally give you a mirrored image on the other side, on the other sheet. So you have both the variations. These are the lilies, white lilies, pink peony bouquet. This is the pink peony flower. These are orange and pink flowers and leaves. This is Peony Passion. This is pink peonies. These are the beautiful clusters, and these are peonies. I have named them Peony 1, Peony 2. And this is the Marvelous Mauves. These are the Marvelous Mauve flowers and pillars. Lily. fanciful flowers. Fancy pansy, actually I've named them. Fancy pansy. Fancy pansy bouquets. And spring flowers. And these are spring bouquets. Okay. So these are all 16 sheets. The costing of these sheets is 120 rupees as usual. I have already uploaded the sheets on the website, and if you want to buy all the sheets together, there is a Feb combo which you can purchase, and that is only for how much? 1725 I think, or 1750, something like that. 1750. Plus there is a discount coupon, guys. I will just upload the picture right here in the comments right now. Let me just check my phone once. I'll just upload the image right now. If I can just see the video. Okay, I'm uploading the image in the comments. No, I don't get the option of uploading image. अपलोड करने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं मिल रहा मुझे. कमेंट इमेज नहीं डाल पा रही हूँ मैं. I'll just upload it on Dcam वैसे ही. Okay, here it is. See, shop for 1000 rupees and get 10% discount. Use coupon code critters10. All capitals में है critters10. Then you have shop for 4000 and get 15% off on critter sheets. This particular sale is only on critter sheets now. No other variation. Whatever is there in the Dcam brand under the category of critter sheets, ना filter कर लेना critter sheets को. Papers भी आ जाएंगे most likely उसमें. And then shop for 9999 and get 20% off. Use coupon code critters20. I will do that, Monica. I will send you the link for the website. Okay. So 1000 rupees पे 10% discount मिल जाएगा. 1000 और above, 4000 और above पे 15% discount मिल जाएगा. And if you shop for 9999 and above, that is 10,000 rupees of course. And then you will get a discount of 20% as well on all the critter sheets which are uploaded on the website. Okay. So that is it. Okay. Now I will share. Just let me zoom in a little. Now I'll share some projects which I had created. Look at this envelope. Okay, I had made it during this class, the course which we just we had done, and I have used this white lily sheets in this. Beautiful sheet this is. And on this also I have used white lilies only. Okay. No comments, no love, no anything. कुछ भी नहीं. कहाँ engross हो गए सारे? Okay, this was done in the fun session which we did in the end of the class to complete the projects. This was done in another course, but this belly band we made. Okay, so this was basically a gift for you die, and then I have used other dies from Dcam, and I've just used cosmic flowers and cosmic bouquets in this. I think I've used cosmic flowers in this, not bouquets. Okay, and I've made this. You can put it on anything. I'll just show you another option where I had put it during the class. I had shown. This was the box which we made during the class. This is the box, and I told them that you can use it as a topper as well. You can put it as a topper. Then I had made this particular belly band again, and this also, you know, it is very simple to make. You can put this also as a topper. See how pretty it looks. And this is my favorite one. This is also a belly band which we had made. I had made the simple belly band earlier in the class, and then in the last class I just told them how you can enhance it with the critter sheets. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a belly band which I have made. पहले बनाया था सिंपल belly band था इस तरह से, सिंपल था ये, एंड लास्ट मोमेंट, लास्ट डे मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा मॉड्यूलेट कर लिया. ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर ऑप्शन. अच्छा, ये सारे के सारे ना एक दूसरे के ऊपर यू कैन, यू नो, ऑलवेज मिक्स एंड मैच. इट इज नॉट दैट. बेसिस बहुत सिंपल है बनाने. मेरे बेसिस आर वेरी इजी टू मेक. यू कैन मेक आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग. मतलब मेरी डाइज आर सो ब्यूटिफुल ना, रियली. मैं अपने मुंह से खुद ही बोलती रहती हूँ, बट ऑनेस्टली इफ यू आर इनटू एनवेलप मेकिंग ना, you cannot beat my dies. They are truly made only for the envelopes only. So सिर्फ एक डाई कट करोगे और बेस तो आपका रेडी है फॉर श्योर. ऊपर से आप जो मर्जी तामझाम कर सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज अनदर वन विच आई हैड मेड. ये एक सिंपल सा एनवेलप मतलब बना के रखा हुआ था. इसमें मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था. ऊपर से सिर्फ एक ये लगा दिया मैंने, एंड इट वाज ऑल कंप्लीट डन. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, दिस क्लास, ये जो लास्ट के 1 2 3 4 ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है ना, दीज वर नॉट प्लान फॉर. एक्चुअली मैंने उस दिन क्लास ली थी. देयर वाज सम प्रॉब्लम इन माय फैमिली. आई हैड टू गो रश आउट ड्यू टू सम इमरजेंसी. समवन हैड पास्ड अवे वेरी क्लोज एंड वेरी स्मॉल, सो आई हैड टू रश आउट. एंड उस टाइम पे मतलब आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द क्लास एंड माई मूड वॉज नॉट गुड. बट जस्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट ना, आई रियली टुक द क्लास. एंड मेरे पास कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं थी. मैंने लास्ट मोमेंट ऑन द स्पॉट बनाए हैं ये. आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड एट ऑल. मेरे पास जो डाई कट्स बचे हुए थे मैंने वो यूज किया और मैंने ऑन द स्पॉट बनाए. हे अर्जिता. एंड दिस इज द लास्ट वन. दिस इज माई फेवरेट एज वेल. दिस इज वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. And one more I had made during the class. I had made this. This also I had made 2 variations. One of them was in yellow, the white peonies. I don't have that. A student has taken that from me. And this is the other one which I made it during the class. So, ek ye hai. This was also random. I did not prepare for it. मैंने बनाया कुछ और था, अब कुछ और arrange किया. So it is very easy to make. एंड एक और पैंसीज का भी था, वो आई नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अभी. अच्छा हाँ, एक ये भी था. ये मैंने क्लास में ऐसे ही बस बैठे बैठे सिखा दिया था स्टूडेंट्स को कैसे करना होता है. दिस ऑल्सो आई हैड मेड. आई टेल यू वेरी सिंपल वे ऑफ यू नो adhering it also. Like if you continue to make this now, you can just place 2 embossed sheets like that and place a pansy ka this thing running in the center, and your envelope can be done. It can be complete like this. See? So these are all the ideas. This is very, you know, random. उसके लिए काट के रखो and you can always make them. It's very simple. These are very beautiful. Look at this, yeah. Does not require any work. They're so pretty. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my sheets, and I hope you place an order soon. I have shared the picture image of the discount coupons, and please make sure that everything is all the coupons are case sensitive. So please make sure that you know, you write it in all caps only. All the coupon codes are in all caps. One more thing I wanted to discuss you, and I want your answers on this. These are samples which my vendor has sent me. These are foil sheets. There must be one more color. These are foil papers. would you be interested in buying these sheets as well in the store? You want me to stock these sheets? This is pink color foil sheet. These are matte foil, not the glossy ones, but very good quality. It is white from the back. This is royal blue. This is turquoise. This is red. And this is green. These come in very handy when you are matting anything, na, like if you have to give a backing or anything, and even if you emboss these look very pretty. So, what? No, रुचि नहीं चाहिए. मेरे बेबी को कुछ नहीं हुआ आज. There was a mishap in the family. One of a child passed away, so it was very frustrating. हम ज्यादा बहुत पास का नहीं था, लेकिन still, you know, he was just 9.5 years old. He had brain tumor, so it was very disturbing. Few days were very disturbing for all of us. So if you want, yes, you want these, Ritudi. Good to hear. Any more feedbacks, guys? Many of you here. Please at least tell ना, reply. मेरे को रिप्लाई दिख नहीं रहे हैं या फिर आ नहीं रहे हैं. Anyone else? Ruchi, what are you saying? I mean, common है. You have more wonderful stuff. Yes, I would love to buy these from my cake toppers. Okay, cool. Okay, fine. I think I am gonna stock them in the website now because मैंने अभी तक तो मंगाया नहीं था. I was not sure if you would like it or no. But I guess it is not the matter of common है या नहीं है. Common तो यार white paper तो हर जगह ही मिल जाता है, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग रखते हैं ना. It is just that कि एक ही स्टोर से आपको सारा सामान मिल जाए, इसलिए हम लोग जनरली हर चीज रखना चाहते हैं अपने स्टोर में. So I think I will keep them in the store. You can find them next week most likely. Next week तक आके कटवा के और मैं रख दूंगी. And these will be in the size of 10 by 10 only. Anyone has a problem with that size 10 by 10? Because उसमें मेरे को वेस्टेज नहीं जाता और मेरे को उतने पैसों में ही आपको मैं एक्स्ट्रा दे पाती हूँ. अगर 1 इंच में इधर से काम करूँ तो 2 इंच उधर से बढ़ा सकती हूँ. नहीं तो 8 by 11 का साइज होता है जनरली, 8.5 by 11 का, लेकिन उसमें बहुत वेस्टेज जाती है. 10 by 10 में मुझे लगता है कि ज्यादा यूजफुल रहता है वो साइज. ओके गाइज, सो लेट्स वाइंड अप द वीडियो. मैं एक बार और आपको शीट्स दिखा देती हूँ जल्दी से. सी, कैन वी डाई कट इजिली ऑन देम? यस, परफेक्टली. बहुत अच्छे से डाई कट होता है. डाई कट के लिए ही तो मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा वो इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है ये. थ्री, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 sheets and lots of offers, and this offer will be valid till Sunday. Okay. So this will be valid till Sunday. So place your orders now, and thank you so much for joining in. Thanks a lot, guys, for all your support. And I will be coming up very soon with a very cute course again. क्रिटर शीट्स वाला ही कोर्स एक बार और लेकर आऊंगी, पार्ट 2 उसका. एंड आई होप यू विल लव इट. जितना प्यार आपने मुझे पहले कोर्स में दिया था, आई होप यू सपोर्ट मी मोर दिस टाइम. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in. And I hope you like my stuff. Bye-bye.